Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Kia Soul's Bluetooth system. First, ensure your Kia Soul's ignition is on and your vehicle is in a safe, parked location. Next, grab your smartphone and make sure its Bluetooth feature is activated and discoverable. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Kia Soul's infotainment screen to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once in the Setup menu, select Phone or Phone Connection, then choose Bluetooth and add New Device to start the pairing. On your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see Kia Motors or a similar name appear. Select it, and a 4-digit passkey, often 0000, will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm this code to complete the pairing. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. Make and receive calls directly through your Kia Soul's audio system, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your device. Easily control the volume and skip tracks using the convenient buttons on your steering wheel for a truly integrated experience. If you encounter any issues, try deleting old, unused devices from your Kia's Bluetooth list and your phone's paired devices to prevent interference. A simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, ensure both your phone and car software are updated. For more helpful tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.